Hey guys, Nick from Deluxe Detail. Today we have Chris's brand new RSQ3 in turbo blue. Now Chris is a friend of the business. He's previously been in here with his S3, getting the same package. So we're going to show you through our coating and full wheel process today. Stay tuned.
Today we're going to show you how to ceramic coat your car with one of our G-Technic ceramic coating kits now available on deluxedetail.com.au. Now these kits come in two variants, 30mm and 50mm. 30mm will cover up to about a sedan size vehicle, 50mm you'll need for your SUVs and four-wheel drives. This kit includes your prep spray and plush paint cloth. This is used for cleansing and prepping your surface before applying the ceramic coating. It also includes a large microfiber applicator and your Crystal Serum Light ceramic coating. This is what you'll use to apply to the paint of your car. And last, you'll remove that ceramic coating with these take-off cloths. So to begin, you're going to want to wash your car to remove all the road grime and dirt off the vehicle. Ideally, you would use a wash without a wax in it. Feel free to perform a clay bar on the vehicle, machine polish the vehicle, whatever you need to do to decontaminate and prep it for this coating stage. But before you coat, you need to make sure you do an alcohol or a prep wipe down of the panels that will be coated. So you're going to use your prep spray and your plush paint cloth to do this process. As you can see, James is liberally spraying the panel with the prep spray and then using this cloth to cleanse the panel. This is going to remove any old waxes and sealants, any compound residue, leaving a perfectly clean slate ready for coating. Over here, Nick's now applying the ceramic coating. So he'll put maybe one full pipette of coating onto an applicator and then work in small sections, painting and applying it onto the panel. You can see he's done a small section on the front bar here. Once he's coated, then immediately you want to come along with your blue takeoff cloths and remove the coating. Now this is a very important part of the process. You need to make sure that you get into all the edges, all the nooks and crannies and remove all of that coating. If you leave it behind, it can leave high spots. But keep in mind, Crystal Serum Light is very user-friendly for you to use and you will have a bit of working time to remove all of that excess coating. And boom, just like that, you've ceramic coated your vehicle in Crystal Serum Light. Now this can be daunting at first, but don't worry, trust the process. As long as you work in small sections and follow the instructions, Crystal Serum Light is very easy to work with. So you can enjoy a glossy, protected car for years to come. Now, if you've got any questions, leave a comment down below or head over to our Instagram and Facebook. Right here, we've got our G-Technic Wheel Armor Ceramic Coating Kit. Now, what it includes is your prep spray for cleaning the wheel prior to coating. It's got your plush cloth, which pairs with your prep spray for cleaning. It comes with a microfiber applicator, perfect size for coating wheel faces and barrels, your C5 wheel armor, and two takeoff cloths for removing the coatings. Let's show you how to do it. To begin, you want to grab your prep spray and your plush cloth. These are the two products that will help you clean the wheel prior to coating. Now, obviously before this stage, you would have washed the car, washed the wheel with your wheel cleaner so it's nice and clean. But this is the final stage before we apply the ceramic coating. This is an alcohol-based prep spray that will remove any remaining dirt, waxes, sealants, etc. from the wheel and get it ready for coating. This is a pretty simple process. You're going to liberally spray the face of the wheel, use the plush cloth to get into all of the spokes, all of the face, into the lug nut holes to make sure that it's nice and perfectly clean. The preparation stage of wheel coating is very important. If you don't have a nice, clean wheel, that coating won't be able to bond to the surface and give it its full durability that you want from a wheel coating. When you're washing the wheels, you may want to look out that you may need a tar remover, an iron fallout remover, and a decent wheel cleaner to get all that road grime off the wheel. So Nick's begun coating the wheel. What you want to do is grab some of the C5 wheel armor, apply it onto the small applicator, and then paint it across the face of the wheel. getting into all the sides of the spokes, all the nooks and crannies, into the lug nuts, cover the extensive face of the wheel before we go to remove the coating. So basically you'll apply the coating to the microfiber applicator, you'll wipe it onto the full face of the wheel. G-Technic wheel armour is a 2-year coating that can be put onto your wheel faces, your calipers, your barrels. Now once the full face of the wheel has been coated, you use your blue takeoff cloth to remove the excess coating. Now this is an important stage where you want to make sure that you remove all of the coating. So you want to examine the wheel at different angles and different lights to make sure you're not missing anything. If you do miss sections, it can leave a high spot. So once you've finished removing all of the coating, you can put the wheel back on the car. Nice work, you've just ceramic coated your first wheel. Now all you need to do is just repeat this process for the remaining 3 wheels and then come hit us up for a job.
Okay, boom. That is how we coat wheels and coat paint. If you want to get your car looking as good as this thing here, you can buy those kits in store, online. Stay tuned for next week. We have a pretty cool brand new Civic Type R coming in. We're going to do a big package on that one, so you'll see an in-depth process. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Keep doing it.